Ever feel like you should practice guitar, but you can't find the time or the motivation? But what if I told you just 5 minutes a day could change everything? So let's turn I should practice into I want to practice. You don't need long, exhausting sessions to improve. 5 focused minutes each day builds momentum. Little by little, you'll surprise yourself. And, once your fingers wake up in those 5 minutes, you might even keep going. First, make your guitar impossible to ignore. Leave it on a stand somewhere or propped up on your favourite chair. Somewhere out in the open, not in your guitar case, under your bed or in the back of a cupboard. Just somewhere out where you can see it easily. Next, and we'll talk about this a bit more later, habit stack. So habit stack your practice onto something you already do. So for example, after your morning coffee, 5-minute practice. Right before you sit down to watch your favourite episode of Star Trek, 5-minute practice. Put your pick out, put your guitar tuner next to the guitar. Seeing everything ready to go becomes an instant cue to play. Now, promise yourself 2 minutes. See, just 2 minutes to begin with. That's your starting line. Feel free, of course, to go all the way up to 5 minutes if you're up for it. But starting small, this small indeed, removes the overwhelm. And to lock it all in, tell a friend. Tell a friend that I'm doing a 2-minute guitar drill every day. Or keep your practice plan visible. Write it on your calendar or in your phone. And the goal, and that's to make getting started so easy you can't say no. Every time you practice, mark it on a calendar. Tick off a box in your phone or drop a coin in a jar. Make some money at the same time. And that little tick mark or coin is a little mini high five from your future self. Better yet, post your daily win in the comments section of this video. Seeing other beginners cheer you on makes it stick. And looking back at a week full of tick marks or check marks if you're an American will feel really amazing. And it drives you to keep the chain unbroken. If you're getting value out of this, then please hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's keep it fresh. Break your 5 minutes into 3 quick drills, and I'll demo these on the guitar. So we can start with a picking exercise for, let's say, 1 minute. Now just using open strings, you're going to pick down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's a simple exercise. Helps you to begin to get control of your picking hand. The second thing you could do is practice chord transitions with 2 chords that are maybe new or just difficult. So for example, you could take the G chord and do this. Put it on, hold it, no strumming, take it off, change to C, put it on, slowly, hold it, take it off, back to G. So you're swapping between those 2 chords. A strumming practice you could do is in 4/4, you could do down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Practice that for a minute, or even 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and. And if you rotate through these each day, this will keep your mind engaged and it will make your sessions feel pretty fresh. Now finish with a clear cue and reward. This is what I mean. So you can set an alarm on your phone and you call it guitar time. When you hear it, grab your guitar. No excuses. After your 5 minutes, pat yourself on the back, tick the box, treat yourself to a nice cup of Earl Grey, send a quick "I did it" message to a friend, or down below in the comments section here. And this immediate reward, it cements the habit loop. It makes you want to do it again tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that. Let's come back to what I said earlier about habit stacking. And we're going to look at a few more examples, and we're going to pair your guitar practice with housework, because housework is a pain, right? But it makes a perfect cue. So for example, after you finish washing the dishes, spend 5 minutes strumming. Like that. Or when the laundry's in the dryer, pick up your guitar and do a quick chord drill. So switch between G and C, like I said before. Put the chord on, hold it, take it off, wait a sec, put it onto the C chord, hold, wait a sec, take it off, and then repeat. Swapping chords. And after sweeping the floor, do a picking exercise. Open strings, like so. And I think pairing with chores turns a boring task into a reward trigger. Remember, progress isn't measured in hours, it's measured in days that you show up. So 5 minutes consistently is better than an hour once in a blue moon. And think about how good it will feel to look back on a full month of guitar practice. Now that is true momentum. If you'd like to have lessons with me online, then check the link down below. I now do live lessons online with a learning platform called Till. As I said, check the description down below, which is just under the like and subscribe buttons. So that's like a 5 minute daily routine. There's no fluff, there's no overwhelm. You show up to your guitar stand, start small, track each day, mix things up, and give yourself a quick reward. So a tiny habit today is the foundation for real progress tomorrow. Now it's your turn. Set up your environment. Start tiny. Track every day. Mix those micro skills up and celebrate your wins. Now 5 minutes a day can become a lifelong habit, and you'll look forward to it. I promise you. You can do it. Click this video here and practice. Thanks for watching. Happy strumming, or even happy practicing.